Yeah. It's interesting too, because you really do have to answer that question, right? Do we need to have that first mover advantage? Sometimes you're trying to get ahead of the competition, but if you truly had analytics that help you not only take it into account competition in your forecasting of how a new site will perform, but you can also understand cannibalization to your existing locations, right? How close is too close? And that's a fear for a lot of people when they think about, to use white space as your definition, I'm going to add new locations into an area where I have some footprint already. Sometimes people worry about getting too close because they don't have the insights, the data, the analytics to be able to understand that. And that always leads to a fight internally, right? Because, inevitably there's a group in your organization that's responsible for opening up new clinics or new hospitals or whatever it is. And their bonus structure is probably incentivized on adding more locations. And then you also have somebody that's probably heading up operations that's incentivized in some way on, for lack of using a retail term, comp store sales gains, right? But just increases to the performance, the visits, patients in existing locations. That immediately puts people in conflict. And so that's why some people may run to greenfields, which that's good. As we'll get into later today, you need to have a strategy for that. They overlook the opportunities that they still have within their existing markets for white space, and they end up leaving that to competition.